we share a rock-solid friendship. Early on, we would have these discussions. For example, when someone had written a song, say Alex and I, only two of the three of the members had written a song, and we had to divide the song for publishing credits and things like that. And we would get into these conversations about, well, you wrote that part, I wrote this part, and it just seemed dumb. So we made a decision very early on. He said, look, the three of us are working on these songs equally. Whether the germ of the idea came from one or two, who cares? They're a product of the three of us. So let's just agree right now that we will split everything, you know, a third, a third, a third, and we never have to talk about it again. And we said, agreed. And so we never, ever had to have that discussion again. And I think that was a big, you know, weight taken off our shoulders, really.